Hi, and welcome to the Ingleside Public Library Virtual After-School Program. Today, we're making me! Let's get started! Yay! For this finger puppet craft, we need 2 large pom-poms, smaller pom-poms, some googly eyes, and various colors of pipe cleaners that we can use our scissors to cut to the length we need. And today I'm going to use the hot glue gun. So the first part is we need to make the ring that's going to go around our finger. So because my pom-poms are yellow, I'm going to use my yellow pipe cleaner and just make a little U to stick under my middle finger. So I want it to stick up just a little bit so that I can glue it inside of my pom-pom. So I will take my pom-pom, and I have a little hole where I've pushed aside some of the puffiness, and I can stick one into the pipe cleaner. I can do the same thing with the second pom-pom. So now we have our ring base. I'm going to glue my 2 eyeballs on the front. Now you can have different decorations that you want. If you want to make little eyelashes or if you want to put feathers, I'm just going to use small pipe cleaners that I've cut and make little eyebrows. So I want him to have happy eyebrows. If you want him to have angry eyebrows, then you can have them pointed in, but I'm going to make them happier eyebrows. I'm just going to bend them a tiny bit. And glue them. Oops. Okay. I'm going to make some little antennas. So I will cut 2 purple pieces. And I'm going to curve them around. And on this end I will glue inside the pom-pom, kind of like I did with my ring. And on this end I'm going to glue the tiny pom-pom. And there we have our little creature ring finger puppet. Hello! Thanks for joining us today!
Have a great week. Bye.